Multiply 1.04 by 18 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Put 2 in this column and carry 3. 8 times 0 plus the carried 3 is 3. 8 times 1 is 8. The first partial product is 832. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. The second partial product is 1040. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 3 plus 4 is 7. In the hundreds column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 1872. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 1872 becomes 18.72. So 1.04 times 18 is 18.72.